All right, let's get your Python playground set up so you can dive right into coding.
So you're ready to code. But first, Python needs a home on your machine. Where do you even start?
You've basically got two choices, the do-it-yourself local route or the ready-to-go cloud route.
Okay, let's talk about path 1, the local route. This means you're installing Python right on your computer.
It's actually way easier than it sounds. It's really just these 4 simple steps. To make sure it works, just pop open your terminal and type this command. You'll see the version pop up. And with Python, you get this super powerful tool called pip. Think of it as an app store for code.
Want something new, like Jupyter Notebook? It's literally this one simple line of code.
Now, for the other option, the cloud route. This approach is a whole different ballgame.
The most popular choice here is Google Colab. And wow, it comes with some serious perks.
So if your PC isn't a beast, or you just want to start coding right now, this is for you.
So the big question is, which path should you actually choose? Let's put them head to head.
See, local teaches you the whole setup process, while the cloud gets you straight to coding.
But if you're just starting out, there is a pretty strong recommendation from experienced developers.
And here's the takeaway. Learning to manage your own environment is a super valuable skill to have.
So, your playground is ready. The only question left is, what will you build first?